liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga.
And welcome back to the ball game. This is our last game for 16 under division. This is NGBJ 4 Energy Wizards versus San Lucas Basketball. Casbadillo, he misses that one. Recovered by Jokno. Casbadillo on that rebound. Gapas will launch a three. In and out. It's out of bounds. Ball will go to the side of Lucas. Muli magandang hapon mga ka-Velvet. We're still live here at the San Pablo Central Elementary School Amante Gymnasium to witness basketball matchups para sa ating Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs, and we can see that being deployed here for the first quarter. For the side of Lucas, we have jersey number 5 Palaruan, jersey number 39 Ocampo, jersey number 4 Jokno, jersey number 30 Gapas, and jersey number 12 Casbadillo. And for the side of MGBJ for Energy Wizards, We should have jersey number 27, Eliba. Jersey number 14, Giriba. Jersey number 51, Floralde. Jersey number 23, Bernardino. And jersey number 24, Kayaba. Who will dominate this ball game? Sama-sama natin yung abangan as we watch this amazing matchup between Lucas and the Energy Wizards. Floralde to Eliba. It's no good. Gapa secures that rebound. And a steal para dito kay Kayaba. What a pass to Giriba underneath. That's a two-pointer para dito kay jersey number 14, Kobe Calix. Giriba with an assist mula kay Carl Kayaba. Ocampo and Carl with another steal. Kayaba. Another two-pointer para sa Energy Wizards. Jokno gives the ball to Ocampo. And a steal by Floralde. Out of bounds for Eliba and Kayaba. Here comes Palaruan. On that letter, finds Ocampo. Lucas Badillo is blocked. And that's another turnover from Lucas Kayaba. 2 points. Palaruan gives the ball to Ocampo. Ocampo almost lost that ball. Palaruan to Jokno Casbadillo. Fire is no good. And the big man of the Wizards are really doing their job. And a timeout for Lucas basketball. Official score is 10-2 in favor of the Wizards.
May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa Gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na
And we are back to the ball game after that timeout mula dito sa Lucas. Muli magandang hapon and a huge appreciation to our live viewers on our Facebook live coverage dito sa Velvet South Basketball Facebook page. And we would like to greet, of course, one of the coaches of our teams here in Velvet. We have Coach Jundel Dalangin and, of course, the Honorable SK Counselor of Barangay San Gabriel, SK Noah Magsambol. Magandang hapon po, SK, and thank you for supporting Velvet South Basketball. Battle of the training camps and ball clubs. And another steal by Eliba to Kayaba. So you can see Lucas is really struggling when it comes to the defense and offense of the Wizards. And mapipituhan dito jersey number 14, Giriba. Free foul, and now on the free throw line we have Gapas. First shot is good for Gapas to break that run by the Wizards. Very good afternoon, Coach Jundel Dalangin. It's too soon. Another try. for Gapas. Still no good, and Chokno gets that rebound. Gapas! That's too strong. We have a foul for Kayaba. Gapas to Ocampo, launches a three. It's too strong para dito kay Ocampo, and the ball will remain on the side of Lucas. Ocampo, launch a two. No good. Ocampo pa din. Finds Chokno. Liam is in trouble. May papasa niya kay Palatino. Floralde. We're at two. Back to double digit ang kalamangan dito ng Wizards. Gapas to Jokno. Jokno is fouled. Foul on jersey number 15, Palatino. First personal foul. Any warning for penalty para dito sa Wizards. On the free throw line, we have jersey number 4, Liam Jokno. First shot, no good. Second throw is good para dito kay Liam. Floralde to Palatino. Gives the ball to Oko. Back to Floralde, and he launches a three. Yes, sir! Three-pointer brought to you by Floralde. Ocampo. We're at two, no good. And there's a whistle and a foul on jersey number 91, Oko. First personal foul and penalty for the Wizards. And on the free throw line, we have jersey number 5, Palaruan. First shot is no good. Last throw for Palaruan is good. Delgado to the corner. And Oko misses. Floralde to Delgado. Delgado dancing against the defense of Lucas. And there's a foul on jersey number 9, Asegurado. First personal foul and a first team foul. First shot no good para dito kay Delgado. Zero out of 2 para dito kay Sean Nicolo Delgado. And a steal by Floralde. Nale is good. That extends the lead of the Wizards to 14. Ocampo to Gapas is blocked. Ocampo fires, no good. Tapikan ng bola, mapupunta pa rin sa Lucas. 11 seconds on the shot clock and 3 minutes and 9 seconds for first quarter. Steal by Palatino. Here comes Delgado on that fast break. 2 points para kay Delgado. Ocampo dumiretso, lumipad, no good. Gapas on that rebound. Gapas underneath. 2 points para dito kay Gapas. Delgado. There's a foul on jersey number 4, Jokno. That will be his first personal foul and second team foul para dito sa Lucas. Second shot still no good para dito kay Delgado. There's a whistle. And then the sportsman-like foul will be whistled against jersey number 17, Delgado. He will be out for 3 minutes and two shots plus ball possession para dito sa Lucas Basketball. Two shots para dito kay Casbadillo. First shot no good. Second shot is good para dito kay Nathaniel Casbadillo. Substitution. Now Hanolino is being deployed inside to replace Jokno. Asigurado. 5 seconds to shoot. Finds Ocampo. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation committed by Lucas. Pangat to jersey number 29. Back to Pangat. And Palatino launches a 3, no good. Palatino on the follow-up, still no good. Oko finally gets a basket for the Wizards. Casbadillo couldn't save that ball. Here, that's another turnover for the side of Lucas. Oko finds Pangat. Launches a 3. That's no good. Oko on that follow-up. No good. And there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 30, Gapas. That will be his first personal foul and 13 foul para sa Lucas. On the free throw line, we have Oko. He gets his first one. And that's Palatino. With a 2-pointer para sa Energy Wizards. Gapas loses that ball. Pangat to Palatino. To Oko. To the other corner. To Agkambot. Is blocked. But Palatino is there. On that follow-up. Asigurado. Same ball. With 14 on the shot clock. Asigurado loses that ball. And here comes some Kambot. Basket counts with a foul for Kambot. They foul on jersey number 12, Casbadillo, for his first personal foul and a warning for penalty for Lucas. Bonus shot no good, and the ball will go to the side of Lucas. Sigurado is in trouble and still by Pangat. And Gapas recovers that ball. 2 points para dito kay Gapas. Eight seconds. And there's a foul on jersey number 29, Ballesteros. We're at push on Hanlolino. And on the free throw line, we have jersey number 67. That's Travis Hanolino gets his first throw. Second throw for Travis, no good. And Pangat launches. And that's it for first quarter. Official score is 31-11. 20-point lead by MGBJ 4 Energy Wizards. And we will be back for a second quarter only here at Velvet South Basketball.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban yan din.
We are back para sa ating second quarter. The battle between MGBJ Energy Wizards and Lucas Basketball. Basket's good. Ergos Asigurado gives it the palaruan. We have a foul on jersey number 6, Pangat. There goes Ocampo. Pinapantayan dito na Kayaba. Gives to Asigurado. The corner, 3-pointer, in and out. Rebound secures by MGBJ. Attacks inside the lefty layup. No. Rebound secures by Hanolino. Ocampo. Nice defense by Carl Cayaba. 10 seconds. There goes a steal. Out of bounds. Lucas, ball possession. We have a substitution. Casbadilla checks in and Diokno for Lucas basketball. Capas inside, no good. Again, rebound Bernardino. Gives it to Pangat. Lays it in and gets the basket. Capas under the basket. Plus the foul, Gapas. Gapas completes a 3-point play. Our score is 35-14. Lamang pa rin dito MGBJ4. The shot no good para dito kay Bernardino. Again. Here comes Lucas. Caspadillo, the kick out. Palaruan. Nice fake. And we have a whistle, offensive foul on jersey number 9, Bautista. Gapas again and with another basket. Bernardino passes to Cayaba. Cayaba launches the three-pointer, knocks it down. Carl Cayaba. Again, Asegurado attacks. And here comes Elaiba. Napoles. Cayaba back to Napoles, rolls out. Casbadillo with the offensive board. And we have a holding foul called on jersey number 27. That's Elaiba. Sigurado with the inbound. Intercepted. Carl Vincent Cayaba ahead. 2 points again for Carl Vincent Cayaba. Sigurado the spin. The layup no good. Again Bernardino. Pass Elaiba. The free throw jumper is good. Will fall on Carl Cayaba. And a penalty situation for MGBJ4. And Palaruan shooting 2 free throws. Also the first one. Second chance for Palaruan. Misses both free throws. Here comes MGBJ. Eliba pushing. Hangs and the basket's good. For John Michael Eliba. Again, Palaruan inside the paint. Under 2-man gets the basket. Again, Eliba, 10 seconds, pull up, 2-pointer no good. Here comes Lucas basketball. Caspadillo gives it to Asegurado. Kick out to Palaruan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Palaruan. Drop pass. Gapas with the fake. And the shot is good for Gapas. There goes another steal. Palaruan on the other end. No good. Bernardino the rebound. Gives it to Sean Delgado. The hesitation. Picks up by Bernardino. A nice block from Jokno. 4-on-2. Jokno taps, can save the ball. We have a substitution. Four minutes and 11 seconds remaining. MGBJ 4 with a 24-point lead against Lucas basketball, 44-20. Sean Delgado gives it to Eliba. Swings the ball to Kayaba. 8 seconds to shoot. The floater is good for Kayaba. Here comes Ocampo. And the taps, a steal. John Michael Eliba again with an open lane. Nice defense galing dito sa MG. Another steal. Turned over for Lucas and Carl Vincent Kayaba gets another basket. Another steal. Eliba again. Lucas can't find the answer. John Michael Eliba. The steal. Pass to Sean Delgado. Corner. No good. Bernardino picks it up and gets the basket. Lucas basketball is having a hard time getting the ball on the other side. There comes Caspadillo. And we have a whistle called for jersey number 12, Caspadillo, offensive foul. There goes Yogi Floralda, checks in para sa MG. Floralda in and out. But Sean Delgado can't save the ball. Bola ay mapupunta dito sa Lucas basketball. And we have another steal. Kayaba again. Kick out, Yuki. 3-pointer no good. Sean Delgado under the basket. That's an air ball for Delgado. Here comes Lucas basketball. Ocampo pushing the ball. Attacks inside. Nice defense from MGBJ. And Oko gets the loose ball. There goes again Ocampo. Passes to Jokno. Taps by Kayaba. 8 seconds to shoot. There goes another steal. Turnover again para sa Lucas. And Oko drives. No good. Picks up by Amante. 55 seconds to play. Ocampo gets dropped. And 8 seconds violation will be called against Lucas Basketball. 48 seconds remaining. MG with the ball possession. Gives it to Sean Delgado. With 10 seconds to shoot. Kayaba again, 5 seconds. Delgado launches and knocks down. 3-pointer from the wing. Para dito kay Sean Delgado. He will be called for a pushing foul on Sean Delgado. With 26 seconds remaining here in the second period. And Gus Badillo makes the first free throw. The second attempt for Gus Badillo gets the basket. 2 for 2 on the line. 26 seconds para dito sa MG. With a chance to extend the lead. Kayaba gives it to Sean. This time air ball, 9 seconds remaining. There goes Ocampo. Almost lose the ball. Amante for 3. No good, and that's it for our first half. Our score 59-22. MGBG4 with the lead against Lucas Basketball. Magbabalik ang Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs.
Ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya.
Afternoon once again mga ka-Velvet. We're still live here at the San Pablo Central Elementary School Amante Gymnasium, witnessing an epic matchup sa pagitan ng MGBJ4 Energy Wizards at itong Lucas Basketball. And as we can see, lamang na naman dito ang Energy Wizards with 37 points advantage against Lucas. So right now we have Coach Yusef Bandao of the Energy Wizards. So Coach Yusef, what was the strategy of your team before this matchup?
Sa totoo lang, di talaga kami nakapagganda talaga eh. Kasi gawa nga ng Christmas season. Di kami nakapag-ready gawa. May mga event din itong mga player namin. Actually, mga ma-attend na lang sa training. Around 15 na lang lagi eh. So, ang nagiging strategy na lang namin ngayon is yung, nag-try na kami ng ibang tactics like yung man-to-man namin.
And as we can see, those tactics are really effective when it comes to your defense and offense. So what will be your game plan during the second half to maintain that lead? And Coach Kayaba was really contributing well to his team. What will be your strategy during the second half to maintain that wide lead against Lucas Basketball?
Sa naisip ko, patuloy lang yung defense namin. Defense talaga.
Thank you so much, Coach. So we will see more of Coach Yusuf later because this is not his last game of the day. We still have our 18 under division for the Energy Wizards. So tingnan natin kung makikita natin maglaro si Coach mamaya during that 18 under division. So guys, we will get back to the second half of our ball game. This is still Velvet South Basketball, Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up.
Assistant coach of Lucas Basketball, we have Coach Mac. So Coach Mac will be here. So we saw that we struggled. The Lucas team struggled during that first half against MGBJ for Energy Wizards. So what will be your adjustments during the second half para mabawasan natin or makuha natin yung lead against the Energy Wizards?
Yun lang, madami kasi kaming turnover. Yun lang yung babawasan namin turnover, tsaka lagi kaming bababa si depensa kasi doon na sila nakakakuha score. Tsaka box out lang kasi lalaki. Yun lang.
So Coach, last question, what is it that you're saying to your team, to your players, even though they're behind 37 points, what's your message or what's your motivation to your team players?
Kakasabi lang namin ni Coach Riz na wag nilang tingnan yung score. Ibaba lang nila yan at kumuha lang kami ng momentum. Kaya nila yan.
Thank you so much, Coach Mac. And guys, it's the start of the third quarter. Tingnan natin kung sino ang magwawagi and sino magdodomina ng labang ito sa pagitan ng MGBJ4 and ng Lucas Basketball. This is Velvet South Basketball, Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs.
Liga, liga, Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong
And this is the start of our third quarter for a matchup between MGBJ4 Energy Wizards at itong Lucas. And we heard earlier Coach Yusef sharing their strategies against Lucas. And on the side naman itong Lucas, we heard that Coach Mac is really, together with the head coach, Coach Renz, is really motivating their team to just do their best, even though they're behind 37 points before we end that second quarter. They're just motivating their players to just do their best and don't mind that lead from the Wizards. Floralde, attacked by Casbadillo. To choose number 25 for 3, no good. Fernandez to Ocampo. Ocampo launches a 2 and it's good. Para dito kay Ocampo. Floralde. To Giriba on the corner, no good. Ocampo setting up the play. Gapas with a screen. Ocampo is blocked. As we can see, that's really the advantage here of the Wizards, no? Their team's height advantage against Lucas. It's a good ball Ball will go on the side of Lucas. Ocampo to Gapas. Gapas sizing up against Giriba. And he is blocked by Giriba. Palatino to Ocampo for 2. And it's good. Ocampo finds Gapas to Jokno underneath, no good. Here comes Floralde with a pass from Ballesteros. And a traveling violation for Floralde. We can now see inside the Amante Gymnasium, we have James Carl Rase, Barangay San Miguel, supporting his friends from Lucas. Palatino with that recent basket for the Wizards. Here comes Casbadillo and he will be fouled. Against Floralde for his first personal foul and first team foul. Casbadillo to Gapas. Gapas launches at 2. Still no basket para dito sa Lucas. Palatino. Offensive foul on jersey number 15, Miko Palatino. That will be his second personal and second team foul para dito sa Wizards. And an unsportsmanlike foul will be called on jersey number 15, Miko Palatino. He will be out for 3 minutes. 2 shots plus ball possession para dito sa Lucas. First shot is good para dito kay Asegurado. Second shot, no good. Casbadillo maglalabas ng bola, gives the ball to Asegurado. Asegurado finds Gapas. Gapas against Giribo. No good. That will be against GC number 29, Ballesteros, for his second personal foul and a warning for penalty for the Wizards. Comes Gapas, launches, no good. Giribo on the rebound. No, Floralde has that leather. 31-point lead para dito sa Wizards at mapipituan sila ng 8 seconds violation. And we have a foul against jersey number 25, Agcambot. They're on the penalty. And on the free throw line, we have Asegurado. He makes his first one. Two for 2 para dito kay Asegurado. Floralde to Delgado. To the corner, back to... Sorry, that's Elaiba. Floralde. Elaiba fights Ballesteros and he is blocked by Jokno. Casbadillo. Steal and Delgado misses that one. But Cambor is there on that follow-up. Out of bounds, bola mapupunta sa Wizards. Elaiba nakalusot sa gitna and he gets that two-pointer para dito sa Wizards. We're now under 5 minutes for the third quarter. Palaruan. Gives the ball to Gapas. Gapas to Hanolino. What a save by Travis. And since we have Travis inside for Lucas, we would like to greet the first lead of the chairwoman or chairperson of Barangay San Gabriel. Magandang hapon po sa punong barangay ng Barangay San Gabriel, Kapitana Madet Hanolino Amante, who's watching her nephew play today for Lucas. Palaruan is in trouble here. Oko gets that ball. Delgado launches a three, no good. Gapas securing that rebound. Here comes Amante, launches, no good. And Amante gets that letter. Finds Ocampo. Ocampo with 14 on the shot clock. Finds Gabe. Amante to Gapas. Gapas on the other side. There's a whistle against jersey number 9. It's Bautista sending Gabe Amante on the free throw line. First shot is good para dito kay Amante. Second shot no good for Gabe. Gapas with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Comes Palaruan. And he loses that ball. But Ocampo was able to recover it. Ocampo launches a long one. No good. Palaruan. And he is fouled by Bautista. Third personal foul and a penalty for the Wizards. And the Wizards was able to extend the lead to 42 points against Lucas. First shot is good para dito kay Palaruan. Two for two para dito kay Palaruan. 10 seconds to shoot. And Elaiba gets that basket para dito sa Wizards. Ocampo to Palaruan. Palaruan against two defenders. And there's a whistle against Kayaba. That will be his third personal foul for Kayaba. Gapas recovers that ball. Gapas, 2 points para dito kay Gapas. Kayaba on that leather. And Elaiba nakalusot doon sa depensa ng Lucas. Kayaba with a steal. Kayaba launches and 2 points para dito kay Kayaba. That's too strong for Gabe. And here comes Kayaba again. Back-to-back points brought to us by Carl Vincent Kayaba. Ocampo. Almost loses that ball to Palaruan. Palaruan launches a 2. No good. Rebound by Bernardino. Last 5 seconds. Kayaba with another basket. And that's it for third quarter. Official score is 80-32, a big 48-point lead by the Wizards. And we will be back for a fourth and final quarter only here on Velvet South Basketball.
Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, get out ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey.
This is the start of the fourth and final quarter para sa bakbakan sa pagitan ng MGBJ4 Energy Wizards at nitong Lucas Basketball. And Delgado opens that fourth quarter with a 2-pointer. Asegurado to Gapas. Gapas. There's a foul on jersey number 30, Gapas. That will be his second personal foul and first team foul. Kayaba, 2 points. And a steal by Delgado. Delgado spins and he attacks. And that's a 2 points para dito kay Delgado. It's out of bounds. Well, we'll go to the side of the Wizards. Kayaba with another 2-pointer. Nag-iinit itong si Carl Vincent. And another steal by Kayaba. Back to Kayaba with another 2-pointer. And another turnover para dito sa Lucas. Delgado to Bautista. Sorry, that's not Bautista, that's Bernardino with a 2-pointer. Making this lead up to 60 points right now. It's a 12-0 run para dito sa Wizards. Out of bounds, the ball will go to the side of the Wizards. Kayaba. Back to jersey number 6, Pangat. No good. Mercy foul on Delgado. That will be his third personal foul and first team foul for Delgado. Asigurado on the letter. Jokno launches at 2, no good. Jokno pa din. Jokno. And it finally ends that run by the Wizards. Bernardino will launch a 3. That's no good para dito kay Bernardino. Jersey number 91. Ten seconds to shoot para dito sa Lucas. Asigurado on that leather. And a steal by Delgado. Delgado on that fast break is good. Jokno. And Kayaba on another basket. The steal by Pangat, but recovered. But Kayaba gets it back. Delgado.
Elaiba gets an open lane, 2 points. Gives it to Hanolino. Hanolino baseline. Passes to Jokno. Goes inside the paint, no good. There goes Yuki. The outlet pass at Gariba. Turnover para sa MGBJ4. Another substitution for Lucas. Palaruan checks in. 4 minutes to play in the fourth quarter. Gives it to Amante. Attacks the baseline. Nice defense from Oko. Giriba. Air ball. Bola mapupunta dito sa Lucas Basketball. And Asegurado. The outed pass. Giriba. The Wembanyama of Energy Wizards. Again, the steal by John Michael Alaiba. The behind the back pass, Palatino with the basket. Again, here comes Palaruan. On the ladder. Gives it to Amante. Amante, the short jumper, no good. Here comes the Energy Wizards again. Alaiba. Misses the shot, but Giriba with the putback. Sigurado, pass to Amante. Amante, the fake and the shot. Too strong by Amante. Here comes Alaiba. Pass to Oko. Oko ahead of everybody. Basket's good. And Amante gets in with another basket. 114-38 is our score. And Palatino knocks down the three-pointer. A minute and 20 seconds to play. Segurado launches the three. No good. Picks up Palatino. Fast break. Giriba alone. And gets the slam. Kobe Giriba with the slam on the other end. There goes another turnover. Energy Wizards will burn the clock with 30 seconds. And that's it for our ball game. Our final score 119-38. MGBJ 4 with a strong finish until the end against Lucas Basketball. And for our best player of the game, Miko Palatino from MGBG4 Energy Wizards, our Brotherhood best player of the game. And we will be back.
Bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best.
Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na...
And that's it, mga ka-Velvet, for 16 on their division. We saw the victory of MGBJ for Energy Wizards. It's a big victory actually. It's 119-38. 71-point lead by, or 81-point lead by the Wizards against Lucas Basketball. So we have here our best player of the game, Miko Palatino. So Miko, what was the strategy that you had earlier during the ball game that really helped you win this ball game against Lucas?
Sinabi ko lang po yung yung sinabi ni coach. Yun lang po.
So what's your plan? So ano magiging game plan natin for the next or for the upcoming game? So what's your strategy para ma-maintain natin yung win record ng MGBJ4?
Ganun pa rin po.
So thank you so much once again, Miko Palatino. He will receive a free haircut voucher from Brotherhood Barbershop for being the best player of the game. Kaya naman wag kayong bibitiw mga ka-Velvet because we still have one more game today. For our last game is our 18 under division. It's Creekside San Rafael against MGBJ for Energy Wizards. Kaya stay tuned mga ka-Velvet. This is Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs.
Nang hindi ka boss, mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig